Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina. Today I did a quick update wash day routine video. This video will go into detail on how I steam my hair while adding product, so stay tuned.
Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.
The products I am using for this first part are Main Choice shampoo, conditioner, a mask, and a growth oil. All of these products are enriched with biotin and infused with amazing vitamins. Per usual, on wash day, I am starting off on dry, product overloaded hair. And lately, I have been doing a lot of protective styles, so my hair has a lot of product buildup. Okay, first you're going to see me go in twice with shampoo to cleanse my hair. I need to make sure my hair is clean before I start adding any more product to my hair. And I always start from the scalp down to the tips of my hair strands. This works best for my low porosity hair, but do whatever works for you. I like to write down and track everything I am doing to know what works and what don't work for my hair. So you might want to start taking down some notes, jotting down some notes, just to make sure that you are in complete understanding of what your hair needs and what it don't need. Next, I go in with a conditioner that has good slip for detangling. Now keep in mind that 90% of the products used today are infused with biotin, which helps promote healthy growing hair. I do like using Main Choice because they have a whole product line dedicated to biotin. Next, I go in with the mask and the deep conditioner. I use the mask for vitamins and I use the deep conditioner for moisture. Just a little double power. Then I seal it all in with a oil and I deep condition my hair under my hot head for about 1 hour. So it's been about 1 hour and I wanted to chime in really quick and show you what I do after I rinse out the deep conditioner. I like to add this As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil water as my liquid. And then I like to go in with this biotin hair serum. You can get biotin hair serum pretty much, it's a lot of places. This particular one is really good. I'll list where I got this from in the description box. And then I am definitely going to seal it in with this Mael Rosemary Mint Scalp Hair Strengthening Oil. I'm going to put a little of this on my scalp also. And what I'm going to do with this is the Main Choice Proceed with Caution, it says. Killer Curls and Brutal Bounce. It says here, stop the damage. Pre or post poo mask. Now this is infused with biotin, vitamin A, C, D, and E, and because of the biotin and these vitamins that's in it, I am actually, this smells so good and it's not like super thick. It's a really good consistency. So I am actually going to use this as my leave-in. This is going to be my leave-in. Lately I've been using like mask and deep conditioners as a leave-in, and my hair has really been liking it. And it's something else I've been doing that my hair's really been liking. Right before I put all of these ingredients in my hair, I do steam my hair. I steam my hair, and because I'm low porosity, to get that moisture in, I've never steamed my hair before, and I just cannot. I don't know why I haven't steamed my hair knowing I'm low porosity. But last week I steamed my hair like during a like a co-wash in between my wash day, and I was like, you know what, let me try my facial steamer. So I tried my facial steamer, and I'm gonna show you in the video how I do it, and my hair stays so moisturized, like so moisturized for like 2 days. And before, when I thought my hair was moisturized, no, it's moisturized now using this routine. So stick around, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out of my hair, and then I am gonna come back with the voiceover and apply all of these products. And I'm also gonna show you how I steam my hair. So while the steamer is heating up, I go ahead and add the Jamaican black castor oil water to my hair from the root to the tip. Okay, so now that the steam is going and my hair shafts are opening up, I'll start adding the other products that I mentioned earlier. I add the BIOTIN serum to my scalp and down my hair shaft. Next, I like to add the oil just a little bit to my scalp. Then finally, I add the cream, then oil to seal. I have really been loving this method of adding steam as I'm adding styling product to my hair. It has really been a game changer. I really feel like my hair is retaining moisture better, or I feel like my hair is getting the moisture better. And when I go in and seal it in, I notice that my hair is holding its moisture for more than 2 days. And that right there, like I said, for me is a game changer. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until the next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.